Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Katakuri in anime Vanguards. To acquire this formidable unit, you'll need to embark on a specific in-game journey. Katakuri is a highly sought-after character, known for his exceptional combat skills and strategic advantages. Understanding the precise steps is crucial for adding him to your roster and boosting your team's overall strength. The only way to get Katakuri is by conquering the World Lines Challenge. You must reach and clear Floor 50, which is the final stage of this intense gauntlet. Upon successful completion, you will be rewarded with the base Katakuri unit and a special evolution item, often referred to as a donut, essential for his further development. This journey requires careful planning and a powerful team. Once you have the base Katakuri unit, the next step is to evolve him using the special donut item you received from World Lines. This evolution process dramatically increases his base stats and unlocks more potent abilities. Many players also aim to reroll for specific traits, such as Monarch or Ethereal, which can provide substantial boosts to his damage and utility, making him even more formidable. To truly optimize Katakuri, understand his unique abilities. He slows enemies by 50% for 3 seconds with his attacks, and can follow up with a second attack on slowed targets. His Machai Conqueror passive creates sticky spots, and Machai Mastery allows him to reposition for optimal coverage. Upgrading his skills like Do Barrage and Do Buzzcut unlocks powerful area of effect attacks, making him a versatile and essential unit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.